Welcome to all of you. In February 2025, SEBI came up with this very interesting category called Specialized Investment Funds. These were very interesting from an investor point of view because they were investor-friendly way to invest 5 different strategies belonging to equity and hybrid categories. We have great pleasure in launching 2 products in this category. One is the iSIF Active Asset Allocator Long Short Fund. This product invests in equities, debt, InvIT, exchange-traded commodity derivatives, and can give a good risk-adjusted return experience to the investors. We think that this is an interesting way to invest for the long term across product asset classes. We are also launching the iSIF Equity Long Short Fund. This product can hedge the portfolios to give the investors a good risk-adjusted return experience. To hear about the iSIF Active Asset Allocator Long Short Fund, you can hear the video from the fund manager, Ihab, who will explain the strategies in detail. Looking forward to you considering investment in these categories of specialized investment fund.
We at ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company are happy to announce the launch of iSIF Active Asset Allocator Long Short Fund. Asset allocation is a key ingredient for successful investing journey. This is because different asset classes perform differently in various phases of the market. Moreover, a combination of the assets generally reduces the fund volatility without proportionately reducing the expected return. iSIF Active Asset Allocator Long Short Fund will aim to deploy capital based on the merit of each asset class and also on its relative attractiveness. The investment is quite flexible in its range of investments. For equities, it's 35 to 80%. For debt and commodities together, it's 10 to 55%, and InvITs 0 to 20%. For equities allocation, we will be using a valuation model with an earnings overlay measured through corporate profit to GDP. For debt and commodities or ETCDs, we will be using a macro framework. We will be having fund managers for each asset class. Hence, each of the asset class will be actively managed. For example, equities, we will have a flexi-cap approach. And within ETCDs, the constituents can go beyond precious metals such as gold or silver. Lastly, we will also be using certain derivative strategies with an aim to reduce risk and help manage overall performance of the product. We look forward to your active participation in the NFO iSIF Active Asset Allocator Long Short Fund.
Investments in Specialized Investment Fund involves relatively higher risk, including potential loss of capital, liquidity risk, and market volatility. Please read all investment strategy related documents carefully before making the investment decision.